I'm a senior investigator at NINDS, and I've been here about 15 years. My primary interest of my research program is studying excitatory synapses and how synaptic proteins are trafficked to synapses and how they're retained there. And we focus primarily on receptors, neurotransmitter receptors, but also on some of the binding proteins. Well, it's always exciting to have a cross-section of trainees in the lab. So it's good to have senior people that know their way around, but it's also fun to have students, either graduate students or undergraduate students, or even high school students, because they always look at things from a fresh perspective. They ask naive questions, which a lot of times aren't so naive, and it makes you think more carefully about what you're already doing. And it also just makes the place more lively. I think it's important to encourage scientists all over to try to make room in their labs, because a lot of times we're busy, we are under deadlines, but it's important to reach out to young people, because a lot of times the summer internship program is people's first window into what it's like to work in a lab. And a lot of times people's ideas, or students' ideas about what being a researcher is quite different than the reality. And so it's really an important opportunity to kind of spread the excitement about research and hopefully get people when they're young to get interested in research, so that we have research going on for the next 10, 20, 30, 40 years. And in particular for underrepresented populations, it's important because, once again, the perspectives, the health concerns, a lot of those things are better represented when you have a diverse workforce.